Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go through tags in Evernote. So why are those really helpful if you have one, if you use them? So let's get straight into it. So first thing first, you are logged in your Evernote, and under the left side you will see here tags. Now what these tags do pretty much. So they quickly categorize your notes so you can easily find them later. So for example, if you save this article here, you can put here a tag on the right side. You see add a tag and type in for example test one like that and save clip. Now this will save here to our Evernote. If we yes, as you can see, Wikipedia now it's safe. But under the text we can type in test one and it will need to show up. Why it doesn't? Um, Under text. So if I refresh this website, the catch of these tags is just that you have organized and that you can find notes faster with tags. Um, so like that, tag name, we can put test, create. Now you see that we don't have anything in it, but if we do it again right here and put in test, as you can see, now it shows up here and we have it test. If we save again this clip, now it will show up, needs to show up right under the tags, test. And as you can see, now it is under tags test, and we have this article here. And here we have another two articles. So this is why it's useful to use tags that you have organized your articles and other stuff. You can always add new tags, new tag that you have really organized your uh, space in Evernote. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.